Gonna continue with this.
Okay, we're rolling.
Okay, we are back for our fourth session on Thursday. Actually, it's Wednesday. Ha ha ha. Okay, we're into a time dilation here. I'm writing faster than the speed of light, which means that we've gained a day. Okay, so find the amount to refinance unpaid balance must be. So I have to find. So step one, I have to find my unpaid balance. We did that before. And that's my unpaid balance on the old loan. So remember the unpaid balance equation? That was A. Oh, I gotta get the stuff out of here. N minus K equals R. 1 minus 1 plus R over M minus N minus K over R over M. I think my pen is running dry, so let me get a new pen. Okay. I don't have any more blue, so we'll have to try black or purple. Whichever one seems to work the best. Okay, so we'll try this one first. So first we have to find N and K. So M is MTN. So this is the number of periods if you paid off old loan in full. So how many periods was the old loan? Well, let's look at the old loan. It was 30 years and 12 periods. So the old loan is going to be 12 each month times 30. That's 360 pay periods. Well, that's your N. Now what's your K? Let's see what they do here. What does it say? It said, after making 80 payments, so K is already given as 80. You don't have to worry about that. So what's N minus K? Let's do that here. So 360 minus 60 is 300, so this would be 280, correct, Amundo? So he has to pay off 280 payment periods. I have N and K. I have R, which is 0.054. Remember, this is the original loan. I know, what else do I need? M is 12. All right? So what am I trying to figure out? Do I have an R for the loan? Yes, the payment was 1011 per month. Well, I should have put that on here for the first loan. Okay. So let's go into this equation and figure out the unpaid balance. I should use the eraser part of the eraser. It works a lot better.
It's a design defect.
I'm going to leave the old loan I got here. I don't need it anymore. 0.054. I'm going to write the new loan here. So I have it down here. So R equals 0.048, M equals 12, T is 25, and refi cost was $550. So let's get rid of that here, and let's look at the unearned unpaid balance. And that's on the new loan, that's on the old loan. So we know here AN minus K, which is the unpaid balance, is 1011. 1 minus 1 plus 0.054 over 12. To the minus N minus K, which we know is 280. 0.054 over 12. So let's find 0.054 over 12. And that is 0.0045. All right, so AN minus K is the unpaid balance. So 1.04, whatever that is, 1.0045, was that 0045? Yes, so. Yeah, it is. Raised to the minus 280. 0.2845 divided by okay, so subtracting that from 1 is 0.7155 divided by 0.0045. Okay, let's erase this sucker here. I don't need this anymore. And that's going to be 0.7155 divided by 0.0045. 159.0. Wow. Really? Oh, we have 280 payment periods to go. That's why. Mm-hmm. They are refinancing way at the beginning. That's 160,759. That's their unpaid balance. So let's look at their new loan. What do they have to pay off? Well, what do they need? You need the unpaid balance plus the refinancing cost, which is $550. Okay. That's okay. I subtracted instead. $161,309. That's their new mortgage if they refinance. All right? So that's the present value. This is at time 0. So what do we want to find out? If we look at it, find the amount refinanced, $161,309. Find the new monthly payment. So part B, you want to find R. So we use the regular present value equation. And we're looking for R, so this is 161. So it's 1 minus, 1 plus, and let's look at the refinancing. It's 0.048 now. They're getting a better interest rate. Still 12 months. Minus 12, and they're doing, what is it? How many years? It's 25 years. Okay, so let's bring this up here now. I have all this now, and I don't need this. I figured out the unpaid balance. So I got 161,309. Or 1 minus, and 0.48 over 12 is 0.004, right? Raised to the minus 12 times 25, which is, we did that before, didn't we? I know what it is, but I'm not going to make, oh, it says error syntax. I hate this calculator. I have to get a new calculator, one with buttons on it. So it's minus 300. Then there's labels. This calculator has no labels. You have to guess. It's like playing with dice with no dots on them. That actually comes from an old-time movie called Guys and Dolls with Frank Sinatra, where this guy plays with dice, his own dice, and has no numbers on them, but he remembers the numbers.
How convenient.
Well, and it's amazing how many times 7 and 11 come up. 0.698. All right, 0.698 divided by 0.004 is 174.5. So R equals 161,309. Okay. $924 a month. Now, as opposed to they were paying 1011 from the first one. That's not the way you analyze whether this is good or not. What you got to analyze is how much they're going to pay out. Okay, so let's compare. Let's say the second loan R2, the first loan 1011.
14-minute mark.
Okay, we'll stop now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll come back.